Okay, and last but not least, we have a delicious cheesecake pudding today with some local damsons from the lovely Shirley and some of Billy's cobnuts. I had an idea that if I just cut the edges, or you can use scissors, then I can get them out nice and easy. So this is cheesecake made with Labneh that we make here, and the base is made with our ginger biscuit. We've kept the sort of Mexican theme going, Mexican South American theme going, by spicing our damsons with a bit of clove and cinnamon. Okay, and then the lovely cobnuts. I'm guessing I'm just going to go over there like so.